Hello, my pretties. Look what I made you.
Halloween is coming. I'm gonna make a Halloween version of one of my favorite cakes, but first I need like the ambiance. It doesn't look like Halloween in here at all. Like, I mean, okay, fine. There's a couple of pumpkins. Ooh, this is not good enough. Now I'm going to cake my cookies and cream cake, but spookified. I think it's the perfect cake because it's already kind of black and white and gray. In the book it's called cookies and cream because we're not allowed to call it by name, but when you say cookies and cream, you know what cookie I'm talking about, right? I'm gonna add a little more color and some spooky elements. I have 2 Oreo cookie layers of cake, and then a black chocolate cake. And I was going to reveal the crust, Helena. So I'm going to remove these from their pans. I'm gonna level these 2, and I'm gonna level and layer that one. Oh, it's beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. I'm gonna cut the caramelization off these layers. This is harder to do with the crust. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I just want to see the color in the spook, not the brown crust. They are. I've just decided I want to color the simple syrup for these 2 cakes. That way when I cut it, it's like, ew, what is that? I can't just add gel color to the syrup because it'll get gloopy. This is alcohol. Oh, that's right. You can use water, but you just gotta make sure you break it down. It looks black, like it looks dark in the syrup. Is your simple syrup not spooky enough? Introducing spooky syrup. Oh, what? Oh, look at it absorbing. Oh. Because nothing is scarier than a stained butcher block. I'm going to make Oreo crumb buttercream. So this is my Italian meringue buttercream. I'm going to fold in some Oreo crumbs, and then I'm going to divide the buttercream and color some of it green and some of it purple. These witches won't leave me alone. Guys, I don't have time for spells today. Ooh. Ha ha ha. You want to kind of fold it in at first. Get the crumbs coated. Yes, I want a Frankenstein type green, not a mint green, just like a really Halloween-y green. Halloween-y green. It's getting minty. I could also add yellow and make it more of a gross green, like a pussy of the pus variety. This is cartoony though. And I think the Oreos, I'm gonna hold up an Oreo, excuse me. The Oreo test, it's very important.
You can get triple stuffed Oreos.
What? I want them. How dare you? Why would you deprive me? Off with her head. No. And now I'll do the purple. Okay, here we go. Purple, green, cakes. I'm gonna get some Oreos and we're gonna layer and stack this cake. Fill and stack. Fill and stack.
Do you want to tell them what we're doing now?
I'm making a cake. I'm going to spread black chocolate ganache onto this first layer of cake. So this is an Oreo layer with the crust side down. So I'm gonna clean up the sides. I'm doing this so that I can make sure I line up the Oreos within the cake and they don't poke out. I'm just filling in the gaps. So every bite has cakey, buttercreamy goodness. And then I'm gonna, ooh. I'm dropping it like it's hot. You know what's funny? We, from our perspective, we think our neighbors are loud. For sure they've heard us. And they're thinking, what do these people do? I like you. But I need to chill. I'm gonna chill this cake for a moment because I'm gonna crumb coat with my purple buttercream, and I don't want the black ganache to start mixing with it. Crumb coating. Oh, hi guys. I'm icing the cake. I'm gonna be doing, oh, you don't even know what I'm planning to do. I'm gonna do a reverse drip. I'm good, I'm gonna stop right here, chill the cake, and then I'm going to melt down my black ganache a little so it'll be good for a drip. All right, we're rolling. I've got my black chocolate ganache melted a little in this piping bag. I'm gonna give you a tip. If your ganache starts to look like it's splitting, you can add a little bit of corn syrup. I actually won't be that mad if it splits because it will look gross. Ready? Flip. Cakes are heavy. Ah, I'm scared. Oh, look at it, it's kind of thick. Ew. But you know what? I kind of like it because it looks gross. Gross and like globby. Any other cake, I would be upset.
It looks very cartoony.
I would be crying. Ew! Look at that one. Ew! Then the thing is, I'm planning to flip this back so it will look like it's growing up, like oozing out of the bottom. Does it look even? Oh my God. Okay, let's see if I can move it now. Okay. Ew! It looks like it's fermenting. I want to put eyeballs on the side. Oh, look. The horror. Ew! Ew! Go in the worm. Ew. He's too smiley though. He's very cute. Like, these worms have faces. Isn't that adorable? It says Happy Halloween. But now I feel like I've crossed a line that I can't return to. I need something scarier.
Oh, no, you did not.
Oh yeah, I'm doing a non-edible topper. So this is like a candle holder, but I poked a hole in it. That is excellent. I want to do a layer up with it. Let's do it right now. Please.
Oh, wow.
Did she stay? Can you see? I'm gonna make a worm salad. And for this recipe, you will need 1 medium-sized bowl of worms and some dirt. You know what? I should have probably buttered the crumbs. Get me some butter. I'm gonna eat all her Pringles while she's gone. A little bit of butter. Toss the worms back in. The dirt. Okay, now I'm gonna add the dirt and the worms around the hand. Ew. I'm a bougie witch. I'm so bougie. Where do witches live? I don't want to live in a cottage. I'm a bougie witch. Can I live on like the Upper East Side, overlooking the park? I know it's 2022, but they're still trying to burn me at the stake, so I've got to go.